In this video, I'll show you how to play Tekken 7 on any Android device. Please make sure to stay focused because if you make any mistake, it's not going to work. Also, I'll be giving you guys the best settings to utilize to get the best performance and the best FPS on any Android device.
Get ready for the next Round 1. Fight.
Now, to get this done, simply go to your Google Play Store and then search for PPSSPP. Now, once you search for this app, you can either go ahead and download this free version or download the golden version. Then once you are done with that, search for Z Archiver. Now, with this app, you'll be able to do a lot of extraction and so many other stuff that I'm going to review later on. Now, once you are done downloading these two, go ahead and open your PPSSPP emulator for the first time. Now, once you open it for the first time, it's going to ask you to create a PSP folder. Simply click on OK, and then it's going to take you to your main directory. Click on any folder that you want to utilize. As for me, I'm going to utilize the document section. So I'll click on document, use this folder, allow. Then I'll click on OK. Now the emulator is going to open the interface, but you can see that there's no game in here to play. Now let's open our Z Archiver app. Now once you open the Z Archiver app, locate your Tekken 7 PSP game file. Now please make sure to stay focused because we're about to start doing extraction process and stuff like that, and if you make any mistake, it's not going to work. So please stay focused. So right now I'm going to locate my game file in the download section. You can see my game file is right here. So all you have to do, just tap on it just once. Once you tap on it, you see extract here. So click on extract here. Now it's going to start extracting all the files that is going to be needed. So just give it some time to finish extracting. Now as you can see, it's done extracting. Now you are going to notice that there will be a PSP folder in here. This PSP folder, every file that is needed for this Tekken 7 is in there, but we have to move it to the original PSP folder because this one is not the original folder. So first of all, we're going to start with this ISO file. So all you have to do, just hold down on this ISO file that you can see. So once you hold down on it, you see the cut button. Click on cut and then go back to your main directory. If you remember, my main PSP folder is inside the document section. So once I click on document, you see that this is my main PSP folder. So I will click on PSP, click on game, I'll paste the ISO inside the game section. But we are still not complete. We have to move every other thing from that folder to this original PSP folder. To go back to our download section, you see the PSP. You can see the PSP section. So right now you can see that what we have to move, we have the save data file, we have the system file, we have the texture file. So these are the files that we actually need, the most important. So we'll move into the save data file. As you can see the main file in here. So just hold down on it, cut it. You can leave the picture, it's not needed. So let's go to our main directory. So document PSP, you can see there's a save data section here. So paste everything in that one in here. So we are done with that. Let's move on to the next. So please stay focused so you don't get confused. Now we'll move into the download again. PSP, we are done with the save data file. So now we are moving to the system file. So we'll click on system. You can see there's a background in here inside the system. So this is going to be what will be moving. So just hold down on it, cut it, go back to your main directory, document, PSP, system, and paste it in here. Then let's go back again to that download section. Alright, we are done with save data, we are done with system. Let's go to the textures. So click on textures. All you have to do now, hold down on this folder, cut it, go back to your main directory, textures, paste it in here. So it's just all about moving the files from the download section and moving into your original PSP folder. So that's what we are just doing. So let's go and check if there's any other thing we need to move. We have moved the texture, we have moved the system, we have moved the save data. So let me check if I'm actually going to be needing this one. So I don't think I'm actually going to be needing this one, but let me see if we actually have a section for that in the original PSP section. So let me go to my document, PSP. As you can see, there's a section for that. So let's just go and take it and put it in there. So I'll go to my download. So let's move everything in here, but we are going to ignore the pictures. So let's just move everything in here. The best way to do it is to mark everything so we don't actually waste time. So we'll just click on this, multi-select, just select this, but ignore the pictures. We don't actually need the pictures. Okay, we're going to take this in. We're going to take this, but ignore the picture. We don't need that. So once we're done, we have to actually cut this. Alright, I think we're done with that. So right now you can see that everything is marked. So let's just hold down on it and then we'll cut everything. Let's go to the main directory. Please make sure you are following all my steps. If you make any mistake, just try it all over again from the beginning. So we'll go to the main section, PSP, and then paste everything in here. So right now we are done. So let's go and give this game a try. So we open our PPSSPP emulator, and as you can see that the background have already changed, which means that what we did was successful. But the game is not showing because this PSP emulator don't know where we're actually keeping the game. So let's go and show it where we are keeping the game. We click on browse, go to our main directory, documents, PSP. If you remember, we kept the game in here. So we'll click use this folder, allow, and as you can see, the game is here and it is ready to play. So this is how to get it done correctly on any Android device. Now you are going to be needing some settings that will give you the best performance and stuff like that when it comes to playing this game in any Android device, especially low Android devices, low-end devices. So just stick to the end of this video because I already have a dedicated video for that, and with that video you'll be able to learn how to get the best settings that you utilize on your PPSSPP emulator. All right, let's give this game a try and see how everything is going to go.
Get ready for the next Round one. Fight.
Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.